So here's the tools that I use. Jeweler's engravers, straight edge, fine edge Sharpie, center punch, flat graver, and I have two different size single point gravers along with a chasing hammer. I'm just going to use my little straight edge and come in about 1/16 of an inch from the top of here and get a mark. So I'm going to get my magnifiers on. I'm going to set that point down on the center of the line at the end. And I'm using a very small, what's called a chasing hammer. And I don't know what to tell you the weight on this is, probably around 1 ounce. So here goes. Alright, I've got just a Sharpie fine tip marker here. I'm going to go ahead and just get some lettering. And just lightly tapping with the hammer. And I'm moving my body and not my arm or my wrist to follow around these curves. As you can see, I'm completely walking around the vise. So it does look a little skinny and rough right now, but I usually come back in, and anywhere where there's a thick section, I'll just hit that and take another chip out. And I also like to accent the back of the C with a second line to kind of make that C more bold. And then do the same thing on this D, but obviously on the curve of it. I think I'll do it on the outside of the curve on this one. That just makes it a little bolder for those capital letters and dresses the engraving up some. Now we have the lines, top and bottom. We have the name engraved and the accent lines added to the capital letters, as well as a little cleanup done. So now I'm going to go to my flat tool, and I'm going to add some diamond, or rather triangular shaped chips by using the corner of my tool at an angle and cutting downwards and inwards, and then rapidly coming up out of the material. And that makes a nice little triangle shape, and that'll add a neat border around this name. So I'm going to jump right in.